Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This is our 34 kWh DIY bus kit. This one is the old version, the sample one. Yes, I introduced for you guys in previews that we consider this design is not convenient for customer to connect the inverter. So here we upgrade to this one. So you guys can compare two types, the difference between them. The biggest difference that is we transfer the terminal, the communication board, the circuit breaker all to here. This one, in my previous video, I told you guys that if customer want to connect with the inverter and here to inverter, here to inverter, here to inverter, it is inconvenient to see the details information on this screen. So now here we upgrade to this final one. You can see in the front of this DIY bus kit, only the 4.3 inch the screens and the turn and the on and off switch. All those components are all back to this box. And let's see the details of the back of the box here. And so here it is. This is the negative of the terminal, and this is the positive of terminal, and this is negative of terminal, which is built with the M8 screw hole. It is the Pew Cooper, and this is the circuit breaker. This circuit breaker can pass 300 ampere current. So this circuit breaker is more bigger than the 16 kWh. And here is the communication board details information. For this DIY bus kits, all made the high quality. You can see first let's see the BMS. For the BMS, we build with the 16 series 300 ampere for the current, for the continuous current pass. And as you guys know, that it will made the EV 628 ampere hour or 668 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell inside the battery pack. So the current pass minimum should be the 300 ampere. Yes, this is what we design. For example, for the bus bar, you can see this is the bus bar to connect with the BMS. It is very thicker, 2 mm, the Pew Cooper with very wide size of this flexible bus bar. Except that between each of the battery cell, we use this bus bar for connection. This is 5 mm thicker of the bus bar, which can be more stable when you use the current pass. Yes, all those components made by the Pew Cooper. 99% of the Pew Cooper inside the battery pack to guarantee your safety. And except that, you can see for this battery pack, it is with the wheel. For this wheel, it is the 60 kilogram for the whole pack. So when you to move the battery pack, it is very easy for you guys to move away. Yes, it is very good advantage for this DIY bus kit. And also here we have the handle. You can move away. Yeah, very easy. Do you have interest in this DIY bus kit? Except that here we can offer you guys is the free logo. Yes, here you can print what logo you need, your company name, what brand you need to put, we can support for you. Here is for the Xinhong Energy, and if you want to put other energy, yes, that is all available. We are StarMax only focus on high quality of the lithium-ion battery cell. And we have large stock of the EV 668 ampere hour, 628 ampere hour in our factory. If you like others design, it's okay. You can buy the battery cell from us and buy the DIY bus kits from other supplier. Come to our factory. We offer the assemble service for you. If you require more details information about the cost of DIY bus kits or the EV 668 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell, contact with our sales freely. And this is Anya. See you next video. Bye bye.